Hi, my name is Jeremy. I'm in Year 10. I swear my favourite subject changes every year. This year I'm feeling more of like a science liker. I like knowing about the universe, or like knowing about the planet I live on. I like knowing how and why things exist. I love the community the most. They're very friendly. I came to Oxford Falls in Year 7. I didn't know many people, but there was this boy and he introduced himself to me and he took an interest in where I came from, what school I came from. It reassures me that there are people that care for me in the school. I think that excellence is standing out from the crowd. Here at Oxford Falls, I see excellence as knowing that what I do in Year 10 will influence the next Year 10s. Or it's just knowing that what I do will have an impact.